Hi guys, in this one I'm going to go over dragons with lightning spells and earthquake spells at Town Hall level 11. Now this one's a little bit different from the previous ones we've covered because it goes based on what can you initially take out with lightning spells before deploying anything else. So with this one, it's a lot more of doing damage calculations and figuring out what you can get and what you cannot get and getting the best value on your lightning. So let's go ahead and look at the army for this. The army for this one is going to include your queen, minion prince, warden, 10 dragons, 3 healers, 9 minions, 9 lightning spells, 2 earthquake spells, poison in your CC, a poison, a freeze, your stone slammer, and your balloons. Alright, now let's get into an example of this. So what you want to do is you want to combine your giant arrow with the lightning. However, keep in mind, when you do your giant arrow, your queen is placed. So you want to, if you can, save the giant arrow for later. So you can have the queen walk, do what it's supposed to do. So what I did is I went in with my lightning first and attacked the things I wasn't going to need my giant arrow for. So I attacked this air defense, archer tower and bomb tower, this cluster, with 4 lightning spells. Then I attacked this air defense, archer tower and wizard tower with 2 lightning and 1 earthquake, and then I did 1 earthquake on this area. I then had the giant arrow cross the entire base, making sure to get the eagle. Then with my remaining lightning, put it on the sweeper and on the expo. I then placed the dragons to start going in with the warden, minion prince, and stone slammer behind. Now this strategy is very good because it does a lot of so much damage initially that it's hard for the base to really come back after it, especially if you have multiple pieces going on at the exact same time. In the clan castle, it's not even that much of an issue because you can always poison and freeze it. So again, because so much damage has been put on the base from the very beginning, it's really hard for the base to put up much of a defense. However, when bases start having more and more and more key defenses to worry about, that's when this starts to become a little bit harder to do. You can always do it depending on if the base is right and you have good enough planning with the giant arrow, but it just might not be possible for everything, especially as we move up town halls with just being so many key defenses being added. Alright, that'll be it for this one.